for today. And before that, we would like to introduce ourselves. My name is Wanisa Jinal.
And also Sarnalyn A. Indal.
And we are your teacher in elementary grade. Okay, our topic is fables. Fables means pabula. The word fable is derived from the Latin word fibula, which means a story, and a derivative of the word fari, which means to speak. Fable is literary device that can be defined as a concise and brief story intended to provide a moral lesson at the end. In literature, it is described as a didactic lesson given through some sort of animal story in prose and verse. Sa literature, inilarawan nila ito at nagbibigay ito ng moral lesson para maintindihan natin at madali tayong matuto sa pamamagitan at fable is described through plants, animals, and forces. Ang fable daw ay inilarawan nila sa pamamagitan ng plants, animals, hayop, and forces of nature, and inanimate objects by giving the human attributes wherein they demonstrate a moral lesson at the end. Ang fables daw ay magbibigay ng moral lesson at may mga katangian sila ng pag-iisip tulad ng tao. Mayroon tayong pag-iisip na marunong tayong magrason, like marunong tumulong. Dito sa fables, ang mga hayop ay may katangian na human attributes. At marami kang matututunan because of fables. And the sources of fables also Panchatantra, Jatakas, and La Fontaigne. Also, this Aesop is the most famous making fables. And the Panchantara, it is the meaning of Panchantara is 5 books. Was composed about 200 BC. Ito yung pinakauna at hayag na koleksyon ng Ilian. Ito yung Panchantara, ito yung unang oldest siya sa Indian fables. At ang sources ng Panchantara ay ang Aesop of La Fontaigne. And the Jatakas, Jatakas is an Asian collection, which is pinaniniwalaan nitong Gautama Buddha dahil ito ang kanilang tradisyon at maraming mga different animals na nangyayari dito sa Jatakas. And the La Fontaigne, another name associated with fables, is Jean de La Fontaine, a Frenchman who turned many of the fables of Aesop verses. Itong si Lantafudnaine ay ginamit niya ang mga fables na ginawa ni Aesop upang maging hindi makalimutan ng tao at matandaan nila ito. Okay, class? And we are the difference between story and fables that we explain our teacher, Sarnalyn Indal.
So, the difference is between story and fable. A story can be both real or imaginary, which is in prose or verse with a moral and whose characters are basically human. Yung story, tao yung naggagawa sa kanilang tao yung gumagawa ng story, hindi story, story siya, for example, MMK, Jessica Soho, parang totoong nangyayari sa ating buhay yung story, parang totoo talaga. Story, tayo yung gumagawa ng story kung ano yung nangyayari sa ating buhay, like for example, Jessica Soho, totoong-totoo siya nangyari sa ating buhay. Or ako, parang gumawa ako ng story sa isulat ko lang sa diary. Ibahagi ko yung yung nangyari sa akin, kung ano yung ginagawa ko. So, yan yung story. Tao yung gumagawa. hindi tulad ng fables and imaginary whose characters are mostly animals, birds, etc. Yung fables, hindi tao yung gumagawa, mga hayop yung gumagawa. Pero yung isip nila, para rin silang isang tao, pero hindi sila tao, hayop sila. Di tulad ng story na to, tao yung gumagawa. Dito, hindi tao, mga animals. Pero para sa silang tao, gumagawa sila ng story about life, ganon. So, let's proceed. The purpose of writing fables. Moral lesson and message fables also give readers a chance to laugh at the follies of human being, and they can be employed for the objective of satire and criticism. They are very helpful in teaching children good lesson based on example. So, kaya daw sila gumawa ng writing fables para makakuha tayo sa kanilang story, moral lesson. At saka, and also give readers a chance to laugh. Mabigyan tayo para maging sumaya sa kanilang story. Kasi yung fables, hindi to siya totoo, parang isa lang haka-haka, pero makakuha tayo ng moral lesson para sa ating sarili. Or kung mayroon ba tayong nagawa na mali, tapos parang may magbabago dito sa ating pag nanood tayo ng ng story nila, kasi para di silang tao, ganon, gumagawa ng story, parang totoong na story, pero haka-haka lang yung fables. Kasi yung mga characteristic niya dito, hindi tao, kundi mga animals, ganon. So, there are some good moral for fables. Ito yung mga we had 1, 2, 3, 4. Mayroong 4 na story sa fable. Gumawa sila ng story. Ito yung panoorin na, kung gusto niyo makakuha ng moral lesson, panoorin niyo lang to. Ito yung mga title ng ginawa nilang story about life, ganon. The Dog and the Wolf. The Dog and the Wolf, moral of the story nila, better strive, free than be a fat slave. Yung next naman, The Dog and the Ant. Yung moral of the story nila, little friends may prove great friends. So, yung next, The Eagle and the Arrow. Yung moral of the story nila, we often give our enemies that means for our own destruction. So, the next is The Eagle. The Eagle and the Fox. Moral of the story nila, do unto others as you would have them to do unto you. So, yun. Let's proceed about the characteristic of a fable. So, mag-explain nun si Teacher Wanisa Jainan.
Okay. We are 6 characteristics of a fables. Number 1 is fables are fiction. Fables daw ay isang haka-haka lamang at walang katotohanan. Ito ay kathang isip lamang. Like Wattpad, kathang isip lamang lang siya, guys. Okay? And fables are short and have few characters. Ang fables daw ay may mga nagdadala ng story, like mga animals, like here, animals, plants, and horses. Characters are often animals with human attributes. They have strength and weaknesses and are in some sort. Ang characters daw sa fables ay ang mga hayop, pero mayroong silang mga pag-iisip na tao, mayroong silang kahinaan at kalakasan. Fables are just one story. Ang fables daw ay isang story lamang. The setting can be anywhere. Setting, ang tagpuan, ay makikita mo siya kung saan-saan. A lesson of moral is taught and is sometimes stated at the end of the story. Ang matutunan mo daw dito sa fables ay minsan sa ending na ng story, sa katapusan na lang siya ng story. May mga matutunan ka dito at ma-apply mo to sa iyong sarili at makatulong ka sa iba sa pamagitan ng fables. But remember guys, fable is not is an imaginary stories which is hindi siya totoo, guys. Okay, features of a fables. Ma'am Shernalyn will explain about this.
So, we have 3 features of fables. Number 1, a fable is intended to provide a moral story. Yung fable daw sadyang gumawa talaga sila ng ng story para siya isang totoong story. Ganon, parang totoo talaga. Number 2, fables often use animals as the main character, represented with anthropomorphic characteristics such as the ability to speak and to reason. So, yung fables daw, ito yung para silang tao na marunong silang magsalita, kung ano yung ginagawa nila, meron silang mga isip, ganon. Ito yung fable, ito yung ability to speak, marunong, para din sa atin, marunong silang magsalita, pero hayop sila, hindi tao. So, fables personify the animals characters. So, sadyang ginawa nila talaga yung fables na parang isang tao yung story nila, pero yung nagdadala ng story hindi tao, mga animals, ganun.
Okay, class? I hope na maintindihan ninyo ang aming report, and thank you for the listening
Our topic.
to our topic, and God bless.